What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the episode. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. It's so damn hot in Cali today. I think I'm gonna be in the car all day, just sit here in the AC. Whew. Feels good too. For those of you who've been fans of the channel, let me give you a little update. I haven't been posted too consistently. Trust me, I'm trying to. Let me take that back. I haven't been trying to. I'm gonna start trying to very consistently, in a very consistent way, because I really want to grow this channel and the other channel, both of them. I'm already getting paid, so the hard part is already gone. The easy part is up, which is just to stay consistent, right? But it's not as easy as you would think. I've got a little help at the shop, but the economy isn't making things any easier. We've had a tough time at the shop, to be honest. You just got to take care of things. So it's been a tough year. It's been a tough 2024 was a tough year. I took some losses there. 2025 has been tough as well, but mentally, I feel like mentally I'm stronger and I'm like more able to take it, I think. Plus, I started flipping cars this year, which makes things a little bit easier. And at the same time, I feel like I was able to bring in more content. Even though I didn't record much, I feel like I was gonna be able to bring in more content. I'm gonna start using those cars that I buy, whether it be off auctions, whether it be off of cars. I should have already. Honestly, there's a few cars that I wish I would have recorded, because honestly, some of these were pretty cool cars. So that's what I'm working with right now. As you'll see, today is car wash day, so I'll be going through the car wash with all the cars today, making sure they're nice and clean. Somebody's supposed to come and see this one today. It's a 2013 Ford Explorer, so they're supposed to come and see it today. Test drive it, hopefully they like it, hopefully it gets sold today. That way we'll get some cash in the shop, get the week started on a positive note, and it's the way to do it. Damn, dude, today is definitely hot. Vacuum the car and it gets you sweaty like a motherfucker. Anyways, back to today's episode. My baby and I actually went to a little car show in downtown LA. This was at the convention center. Nothing too big. The show was actually really small. But I'm gonna jump right into it because the sound is horrible. So as clear as I wanted the sound to be, it was just gonna be hard to get it because the echo around the whole building was horrible. But it was a good, entertaining show. At the end of the show, they had a bunch of rappers too. Mr. Little One, which is a huge Chicano rapper. Lefty Gunplay was kind of hot right now on the social media scene. Who else? A couple other oldies singers and stuff like that were on stage too. So join me. Let's go get into the episode, and you know what to say, man. Let's get to work, yo. Let's get to work. Check out this piece of art. art is what it is. That's all I can say. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, owned by my homeboy Greg, his wife, and his brother Frankie. They got started in the lowrider scene because he bought a raffle ticket, won a 64 blue 64 Impala, then traded it for this one. Ever since, he's been upgrading, updating, and perfecting this piece of art. Piece of art, that's all I can say. Check this out. Let's go take a look at some of the other stuff, because we missed a few other cars here. So let's go check them out, finish up seeing everything. Plus there was an art gallery that I want to take a look at too, so let's go see those before we go. Came by to take a little rest because it's not that big of a show, but because it's that small, there's not a lot of people and there's not a lot of cars. You can probably run through the whole show in like 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more. But even so, they've got good cars. They're quality cars. It's not like shows that you go to at a park. You can tell the details that are like rusted or old, or they haven't worked on, or they just haven't cleaned up. Here, all the cars are like in really good shape, well taken care of. Definitely car shows, or sorry, show cars is what I meant to say. I hope the audio comes through clearly too, because they got the Lefty Gunplay is gonna play today. Some other rappers are on stage. They got oldies playing, so. But it's a lot of echo around here because it's closed in. It's a good thing that it's closed in though, because to be out in the sun today is like in the 90s outside, so no thank you. Inside is a lot better. We got AC, nice and fresh. I think everybody's having a good time.
I want to thank every single one of you for coming out.
Cleanup time? Cleanup time? The fun part, the cleanup time?
We're running action.
Let me go get him. There you go, put him on action. El Franny trying to spit game. Yo, let me make this quick. Go follow the 2 Instagrams up here. I'm gonna put you my Instagram right here. Go follow that account. That's me. That's my personal shit. That's anything that I do on the daily. I'm just stupid sometimes, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna put the shop Instagram next. Go follow that account. And then I'm gonna throw up Greg's account too. He's got a lot of lowrider stuff. He goes to the shows almost every weekend during the summer, doing a lot of shows. He's really active in the lowrider scene. Go hit up those 3 accounts, give us a follow. I appreciate you for that. And secondly, go use the links down below. Help me support the channel using those links. Anything Amazon that you buy, anything Amazon that you purchase goes to help support the channel. And let's go. I think that's the end of this one. So catch you guys on the next one. All right, let's get to work. Yo, let's get to work.